Hi everyone, today we are going to take a second look at Nuuly. I just ordered my second box actually a few weeks ago and I've been wearing the outfits. This is one of them. It is quite lovely. It's a dress. It's a little short. It was an additional piece because they made a mistake last month and they gave me a credit and an additional piece for this month. Nuuly is a subscription box from the company that owns Anthropology and Urban Outfitters. If you don't know how Nuuly works, I will explain next. If you want to skip that, go to this time right here and look at the outfits. But stick around because now with my second experience with them, I have a list of pros and cons that you might want to watch. Enjoy. For $88 a month, you get to pick 6 pieces. Ideally, you look at your calendar, you see what you need, and you pick out the pieces that you think you're gonna need that month. Anyway, so I picked 6 pieces, and within a few days, I received this cute little bag with them all wrapped up in there, and inside there is like a little sticker that you put out up front and you stick to it, and after 30 days, you just bring it to UPS. The moment the UPS company scans it, you are ready to select your next 6 items. When you send it back, they will clean it all up for you, and if there was anything like a button that got lost or the zipper that broke, they will fix that and they won't charge you for any of it. You will receive clean clothes ready to wear. Well, you might have to steam it. Now, this outfit is super fun and casual and perfect for your spring break trips and even your summer trips. Unfortunately, it's either too small for me because I feel like this is too open. You have to wear it with a cami. Forgive the undergarment showing. It is cute. I wish it was a little bit more material here covering so that I could wrap it better. And I'm sure some people won't have that issue. I just have a large chest, and but it's really cute. Little eyelet, simple, casual, easy to just put it on. And see, one of the things is I did have to iron these things. They were all wrinkled up when they got here. I'm wearing them with these super fun casual green pants with a special frayed hem with several colors, super wide pants. These pants I chose specifically because of this pair of page pants that came in my Nordstrom box last month. That was $225, and I could just, for $88, and actually it would be like $15 a piece, I could rent it for a few months and wear it all summer long. I loved it. For this lovely monochromatic look, I picked this fun shirt. It is really short, but the wrap, the way that they have the little wrap, helps hide your waistline. And of course I went with those pants, and just a perfect combination to go anywhere on vacation. I did take this on our spring break trip and I did wear it and I was really happy with it. Also, it goes with the pants. So 2 looks, 1 pair of pants, ideal for traveling light. I hate taking way too much clothes during my trips, so I try to pack the minimum amount of items as I can and just switch them around. I think it's lovely. And actually this one was quite easy to iron. This main part was pretty straightforward as far as it was nice and smooth when it got here. So no problems at all. This top is simply gorgeous. It is absolutely see-through with all the little detailing in the fabric. Just so pretty. I have a beige bra underneath it. I should be wearing it with the camisole, which I just didn't want to go dig and look for it. But I wore this in a couple of videos, actually in one of my videos before, and I wore it with my white pants. And these are just my white pants. Color my nails go well with it. Let me walk away so you can take a look. This is the type of fabric that I would recommend if you are borrowing things from Nuuly, because it travels well when it's washed. You might steam it, but see, I don't even have to do anything. It's ready to go. This dress is, I think, quite expensive, but I can wear it during the daytime with flats and be super happy about it. I think it has cute little details. I love the length. It covers my knees. It's a cute dress to be rented for $15 a month. I'm not complaining. And again, it travels well. I didn't have to iron it. This dress was a fail for me. I thought the pattern would be so cute and fun and casual, which it is, but I feel like the color is faded. Probably needs to be taken out of rotation. Also, the dress has weird cuts. Like, see this line right here? It goes sideways. And it really doesn't do anything for the pattern. It just accentuates how poor the pattern is. I haven't even ironed it because I don't think I'll be wearing it. It has a slit on the side, a wrap that goes around twice the waist. So it's very flattering, but I don't like the way the cut is. It just doesn't make any sense to me as far as the sewing. I don't understand this dress, but some of you might like it. Take a look. If you haven't subscribed, do so. You might get some ideas on what people are wearing nowadays. That's the beauty of the subscription boxes. You have stylists that know what's going on, putting together outfits for you. Let's talk about the pros of having a subscription box like Nuuly. For one, you get to choose your own outfits if that's what you enjoy, whereas other subscriptions, usually a stylist will put it together for you. Personally, I prefer when somebody else gets it, selects the stuff for me, but I know a lot of you enjoy picking out your own clothing, so that would be a pro. If you choose your pieces right, you would be wearing higher end clothing for a fraction of the cost. It turns out that each piece is worth about $15 a month that you're renting that piece for. In your selection process, if you choose more expensive garments, then that means that you're getting a great value. If you want to keep the box because you enjoyed all of the outfits and you want to keep them for, say, the season, then you can just continue to pay the $88 every month and you get to keep the clothes for the next 3 months. Once the season is about to change, you can go and revamp your wardrobe and start over. So I think that's a great benefit, because that is indeed when you would be putting your clothes in your closet and forgetting it for either a year or never to be worn again. Another pro was my experience with customer support. I really thought that when I received this faded top last month, they immediately gave me a $15 credit and gave me an extra piece for the following month, which is this one that I'm wearing. It's a little dress, and I did not model this for you because it is an extra piece, but it's just a lovely little dress. Another benefit would be that if you choose to purchase one of these outfits, you would be buying them because they're used at a highly discounted price. So that's yay. Of course, there's the sustainability, because you are not just contributing to clothes piling up in the landfills, as the clothes is being very well worn over and over again, the same piece, before it gets sent to the landfills. They do use these recyclable bags, which is fantastic, and that way we're not adding more cardboard to recycling companies or to the landfills. And then my final pro would be the ease of use. I love it that it's pretty much worry-free. You will receive this at home, and then when it's time to drop it off, you can actually hand it over to your mailman or go over to a dropout post office. In my case, there's a UPS store right in front of my neighborhood, and they have a bin where you can just toss anything that you would have put in the mail into the bin. So I don't even have to talk to anybody. Just go in there, toss it, and you're good to go. Also, I love it that on the site you can order it by newest pieces or best fit because of your profile. So they will recommend clothing that fits your body type. I think, because I have mixed feelings about that. I don't think the algorithm is absolutely perfect on that one. I do like it that you can do it by price, because this is how I do it. I try to organize it by price so I know that I'm getting a good deal. Now let's go to the cons, because not everything is perfect. I think they still have a few training issues. For example, both of my bags, the last month and this month, both came with clothing that was faded that needed to come out of rotation. And again, I could call again this month and let them know I did not wear that outfit at all. The second con would be sizing. Because UBR, I think, or URB, owns all these different companies, the sizing is not as easy to get right. So you have to get used to their different sizings. I feel like most of my pieces, I could have gotten them a little bigger than what I received. So I'm still working with sizing. One top that was clearly a medium did not fit me at all. The white top was absolutely didn't look like anything the model was wearing. So I thought that was a little difficult to pinpoint. Sometimes they say, oh, choose 2 sizes, but I don't want to waste an item. I want to get my right size from the get-go. So what's happening is you're going to take a few months to get used to the different brands and the different size configurations for that brand, and that can be expensive. It could add up if you keep getting bags that are $88 every month, but you can't pinpoint pinpoint your sizing just right. That means that if you are ordering 6 pieces and only one fits, you are stuck with $88 for one fit. So the way to correct that, and I would recommend that to Nuuly, is to give a grace period of about 3 months where you could join the program for a very reduced fee, say half, so that you can get used to what you're receiving and the brands and how they fit your body. If you can't get it right off the bat, it can be an expensive endeavor. Many of the fabrics are cotton, such as this, and even though it is lovely, and a couple of the tops that I wore on this video, they needed ironing or steaming badly. It looks like they literally just come out of the dryer, fold it and roll it and put it in there. And for cotton pieces, which are my favorite for this time of the year, it's a mess. They get over here and they're all wrinkled. I did not take any pictures, but if you could imagine washing a cotton piece and throwing it in the dryer, it will be all wrinkly, especially if you have a ribbon like pieces of fabric that you wrap around. That was annoying. I did not enjoy that process at all. So for me, that was a con. But if you don't mind ironing, or if you choose synthetic materials that are easier to steam so that you take the wrinkles out, or you just shake it and wear it, I think that is it's a good way to go about it. Otherwise, if you prefer linen or cotton, you're stuck ironing, so I didn't like that at all. I'll stand up real quickly and try to show you a little bit of this dress. All right, guys, see you next time.